Now, normally I say that whenever we have systems of equations, we should plug those into Desmos and find that point of intersection just by looking at the graphs. But even though this technically is a system of equations, it's really not, because the thing that we're given to start here, this x equals 3, is barely an equation. That's a point, in my opinion. So really what we're going to do here is use the other main strategy, plug points into equations. So in order to find the value of y, that 3 goes in for x. So we have y is equal to 15 minus 3 squared. Now, you should know how to solve this. We would need to subtract the 3 first, do what's in parentheses first. So that's going to be 15 minus 3. Y is equal to 12 squared. So y is equal to 144. Then we need to multiply, because they want the value of xy. So that's 3, which was x to start, times 144. I don't even really need to put it in the calculator to know it's going to be choice A, because that's the only number that even makes sense. But if at any point you were confused about what I did here, if you don't have that good of a grasp of arithmetic or algebra, then yes, put this in the calculator. It's such an easy thing to just be sure you're right by going to the calculator, typing it in, and watch what you're looking for. X equals 3, and y is equal to, put the parentheses, do it exactly as written, 15 minus x squared. And what are we looking for? Where they cross. So it's going to be high, right? This is the one problem with this, and I think they did this on purpose. Why isn't it moving? Ah, it froze. See, this is why we don't use Desmos, is it froze. And there it is, right? So 3, 144 is our intersection point. Now we would still need to do the work of multiplying those two numbers to get us x and y. I'm actually surprised here that they didn't give us answers like 144 as a random kind of trap answer. That was very generous of them, but that's something that they will do on other questions, because they know when you see that 144, you feel like you've solved the question, but there's that one little extra step. So remember to always reread the question before you pick your answer, and there you go. That's 2 ways to do it.